Animal and plant cells have many common traits amongst each other due to them being eukaryotic cells. In both cells, you can find a nucleus, plasma membrane, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and small vacuoles. To best distinguish an animal cell, these characteristics make it more obvious. Animal cells have an extracellular matrix, which is on the outside of the cell membrane. It is made up of glycoproteins, and it also allows the cell to change its shape. The gap junction is also a unique trait found in animal cells. These are channels that allow small ions and signaling molecules to pass through from cell to cell. Lysosomes digest food particles and parts of a cell that need to be recycled. This includes any bacteria or diseases that may be entering the cell. And another trait that can be found in animal cells are the centrosomes, which are microtubule organization centers. They provide the structure of the cell. Moving on to the plant cell, one trait that is similar to the extracellular matrix in an animal cell would be the cell wall. This structure is made up of polysaccharides called cellulose, and this protects the cell and helps it maintain its shape. Plant cells also have plasmodesmata. This is a thread of cytoplasm passing through cell walls of two cells, and this allows them to communicate. Chloroplast is another way for a cell to get energy from sun and light. It uses photosynthesis to get food. And the last trait found in a plant cell that makes it very different from an animal cell is the central vacuole. This function regulates the concentration of water within the cell and can also help with the growth of a plant cell.